Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really nice makeup look, which is floating liner. I don't know if I did it right, but might be because it's my first time and I'll probably do some more on my channel. But this is today look and I really love how it turned out, and it wasn't easy, okay, but it is really nice and I feel like TikTok famous right now. Anyways, give me a follow there, and everywhere. Yeah, like this video and don't forget to subscribe and comment for the next video. And yeah, if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna use the primer by Tatcha and start priming the face. This is a really good primer for your makeup to stay longer and also looking good under your makeup, so I love this. Make sure you're using something moisturized before. If you have dry skin, this will show a lot of it, but you can tap it in as well. Okay, now I already had my brows. I've been using some of Anastasia brow pencil and just to shake them and brush them up, but I haven't used any gel, so I'm gonna use it after my foundation and everything. I'm going to take this Dior Backstage foundation today, and this is in the shade 35N. I think it will be a little dark, but I will put some lighter concealer and we'll see how that goes. And I'm using my beauty blender. Yeah, it is dark, but it's okay. And the coverage of this is it's like light to medium, I would say. It's not very high coverage, but you can apply another like couple coats. And I'm in my period, so I'm breaking out. I hate this. But let's say that by going vegan and eating more plant-based is definitely helped. And then tapping in the excess also on my chin area and under my chin. Okay, I really like how this foundation looks on my skin, and it's very lightweight. I barely feel it on my face, like not even. I think I'm going to go with the NARS concealer. I actually do have Dior concealer. I will use the Dior today. We are all about Dior for this foundation part. So I'm gonna use Dior Backstage. Is it Backstage? No, it's Dior Forever. Dior Forever Skin Correct, and it's in the shade 1W. So I'm going to apply right here and lightly, like where I will put my highlight, and then I'll blend it. And like literally you need that much, not more. Make sure your beauty blender is well wet, or you need to spray some setting spray on it. Whatever I have the rest, I'm gonna put on my lid just as a primer for my eyeshadows. Okay, no joke, this is really flawless. I'm gonna do the other side, but it really looks flawless already. I'm going to set everything with Laura Mercier baking powder, no, setting powder. I don't like to bake. I never actually did, so I know it's not trendy anyways to bake your face. I don't know if you noticed, but I got rid of my aligners from Smile Direct. Obviously they didn't work and they actually made it even worse, so another story about that, let me know in the comment below if you want me to do like a full video review about the Smile Direct and my experience with them, because they were not good. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to set everything first with my beauty blender for my under eye. And this Laura Mercier setting powder is always the best. And just tap it in. Don't move it like, oh my god, I love when a translucent setting powder just gives you this flawless finish. And you just want to put some more, and it doesn't get cakey. It just makes it flawless even more, and I love it. This is my favorite setting powder ever. And you already know what setting spray I'm gonna use. Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna use actually something that I haven't been using a lot, and I actually forgot how much I love it. It's the Becca wavy bronzer. I don't know, but this is such a really cool bronzer and really pretty. I've been using that actually a lot. Just gonna take this part in the middle because it's so beautiful on the skin. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply it like that. And it gives you this such a beautiful bronzy look. And like not cakey, but really looks so good on the skin. And like work it also like from the ear and back. Like it will just, you will see it just looks so good. Okay, now the other side. Just gonna use that right there, and also kind of contour. So I'm really putting it where I would put contour and bronzer. So this is how it looks. And also a little bit on my nose. And just to kind of match my color, I'm going to do with the bronzer some on my neck. Just the best way to kind of match my color, even though I'm not tan, so this part will be kind of like bright color, and then I'm bronzed here. So I love this bronzer, it looks so good. Or blush, I haven't been using this palette in such a long time. This is such a cool palette from Tarte, and look at these colors, super pretty. Like oh my god, why am I touching the mirror? Anyways, this one just called my name here, right here is calling me. It's like NARS, like what's that name? Orgasm? Yeah, this is it. And I think I'm gonna take like some of this and some of, I don't know, maybe I should just blend my brush in both. Yeah, both. And then I'm just gonna put it right here, like on top of the bronzer. And yeah, that looks already beautiful. Okay, so whatever I've left, I will just put on my forehead as well. And yeah, basically right here, forehead, a little bit on my nose. That's where I like to put blush. Like lately, I don't like a beaming highlight. I want like a subtle, natural highlight that it will just look like my skin is glowing, not like a beaming highlight, like whatever. It's so not trendy, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is like, my friend told me about this. This is like the MAC pigment color powder, and it's very like subtle highlight. You barely see it, but it's there, and it's really pretty. So I think I'm gonna use like, you see it's very like pigment, but barely there. So actually I'm gonna use some with my fingers to just apply it, like right here at the beginning. And then, oh my god, you can see that. Yeah, it's actually kind of a beam. Okay, let me just take some of this brush and work it in. Okay, wow, that looks so good. But yeah, very settled, not like beaming. So that's what I like. I like that. So yeah, I really like this one by MAC. Such a good like settle highlight. And also under my brow bone too. Okay, that's it with this pigment. Such a good, oh, what's the color is Naked. I need some of this brow gel. It's by L'Oreal Brow Stylist. I'm just going to comb everything upwards. My favorite brow gel in the drugstore, and it has like a tinted color to it. So good. And this is in the shade Blonde. Okay, before I'm doing my eyeshadows, I thought I will do like a before and after on my TikTok. So just bear with me 1 second. For this eyeshadow look, I thought I'm gonna use two really nice eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty. This is the Mint Pastel and this is Neon. Let me open for you to see what I'm talking about. Like, this is insane, and this is like summer, spring colors, and as well those colors, I want them in clothes, in eyeshadows, in everything. This is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use both, as I said. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one first. Okay, so I will take this brush first, and it's by, I have no idea, but I'm gonna use it for this palette first, and I'm gonna take this color, very subtle. I'm just gonna work it all over my lid, like a minty color, but barely there, you know. So it will be like transition, I would say. And now I'm gonna take this palette and take this color, the peachy kind of color, and as well on the eyelid, like transition. Like together, it looks really nice. It's like I'm doing a cut crease with those shadows. So with the same palette, I'm gonna take this color, really pretty, and this brush is by Ofra, and this one is gonna be right under everything we did right now. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna take actually something crazy. I think I'm gonna take this neon color and I'm gonna put it like under with the same brush. I don't know, pray for me. Actually, it's not that bad. Actually, it's really nice. So I've used some of this neon color on the bottom. That's it for now with this palette. Now I want to do the liner, so let's see what I'm gonna use. I'll use Kat Von D tattoo liner because this is like the best liner and you can control it pretty good. And well, I'm gonna use this mirror for that. And I'm gonna draw a line here. And that's my first one after like a long time not using a liner, so that's pretty good. Let's just go where you see your crease. So just right there where you see the crease, and well, I'm not really good at it. I've never done that before. But it should be like that, so pretty good for first time. Like, I think I did good. I don't know. I think so. I think it's fine. It's not bad. Okay, anyways, one of my trick is if this is not coming out like good, you always use some of glitter like on top of this line or up under this line, and it will just create this. So don't worry. If that happens to you, this is makeup. That's okay. It's okay. So just gonna use some glitter. This is Urban Decay heavy metal glitter, and let's just do some under this line. Okay, I'm also going to go in with this liner, like right here in this inner corner. Like continue this line. I think I got it. Now it's like connected nicely. I think I want to do some inner corner highlight, but in the color. I think from here I'm gonna use this color in the middle. I don't want to touch the liner, but I want to have it there. Should I do mascara first and then, because I want to use some of this lashes, so like individual on the end, but I think I'm going to do it after my mascara. So I'm going to curl lashes today. I don't know why, but I'm going to curl them. Like I'm usually never curling my lashes. This is by Tweezers something, I think. I'm not sure. I'm using Lancome on CRB mascara today. This mascara though is so good. Okay, they look really nice right now with the lashes and floatliner. Which side is better? I don't know. Just all the time have to be one that is better. But yeah, it's already giving me this look, and I love it. I feel like a TikTok famous right now. Okay, so I'm gonna use Kylie Jenner lip pencil. This is in the color Malibu, by the way. I'm just gonna line my lips. I need some gloss. I feel like this will just be really cute with gloss. So I like this one by Bare Minerals. So let's see, let's go with this one. Yeah, that is it. It smells so good. Oh my god. I'm just gonna tap it in, and oh my god, this just complete this look so much. It's just so good. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I can't. This is so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to straighten my hair a little bit more. Put some dry shampoo, give it some volume, and I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I just put a lot of dry shampoo in and did my straighten my hair, and that's the complete look. Yeah, I know, it's so, like, I just cannot believe how much I love this look. And yeah, it's so pretty. That completes today's look. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and maybe create this look, and let me know in the comments how it goes and how you like this one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. What is this liner? I don't know how I did it, but it looks, I don't know, this float liner. I mean, and if you put glitter on anything, it just looks fantastic. Okay, bye. Love you.